Hello, this is Gus Garlis and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you some of the e-commerce features that you have available on your mobile website. So from your dashboard, you're just going to click over to the e-commerce tab. And here's kind of the overview. You have your products, you can add a product, your product categories, your manufacturers, you can view your orders, your store settings, PayPal, and authorized.net settings. Now, this is a very robust and enterprise level shopping cart and e-commerce platform. So it does a lot more than what this just looks like here. And everybody has a little bit different need for an e-commerce. The site that I'm showing you right now is racinghelmets.com, and it's a site that we did. They're actually my next door neighbors. So we did a full desktop and mobile website integration for them with our platform. So for example, I'm going to show you some of their products. And they have thousands and thousands of products with different colors and sizes. And I mean, it was a very, very large project. So for example, they have different categories. They have this many categories, which is looks like about 50 or 60. They have 4, 5, 6 different manufacturers. So up here you can search for all your different types of helmets that they're looking for. So we're going to take, for example, we're going to go and just edit this product. So it's a Bell Air Intake helmet, and it's a model specific. So we keep that there. The manufacturer is Bell, and the product image is already uploaded. Their price is here. Their weight is 1 pound because they offer free shipping on their helmets. So what we also have integrated is UPS real-time shipping. So all you have to do is just type in your weight of your box or shipping product, and UPS will automatically generate the shipping quote for your visitor based on their zip code and your zip code. So we have a couple different options. If it's free shipping, then that won't take place in the shopping cart. And if it's default, then it will default back to whatever the weight is. Here's where they can put in their keywords and descriptions for that. Additional navigation if they want to put this product on a different section, they can do that. They have additional images available, so if they want to show different views of the helmet, a right view, a left view, maybe a back view or something like that, they can do that. The description, here's where all their content would go. Custom fields, and they have a lot of different options for these helmets. So for example, the color, they have, let's see here, they got 3 different colors for this helmet, and here's a text block, and this is actually going to show their racer guarantee and some of their things that are going to go on all the pages. But we have all these different custom fields available that they can do. They can show additional products. We have modifiers on here. So if they want to manage modifiers, for example, they have their helmets can have different prices for different sizes. So if you're selling t-shirts and an extra large is $5 more, you're able to charge $5 more for an extra large by managing the modifiers. When we're setting up these large e-commerce databases, obviously it helps to have all your files in a CSV, or we're gonna have to go in there and hand build them. So if you have all your products and SKUs and that type of stuff, it's a pretty easy import for us to do. And again, we do all that for you, so you don't have to worry about that. So if they ever wanted to add a product, they can just click on the add a product and just select their image, check the weight, type in their keywords. If it's a featured product, it's going to, in their case, it shows on the bottom of that manufacturer page. Additional images. They have different manufacturers available, and there's just a lot of stuff here. Orders. It's going to show their orders here. Any store, and I'm not going to show you that because it's their stuff, but it's going to show you their UPS API, their email addresses, authorized.net settings, things of that nature. So again, this is all very easy to set up and use. And then down here, they can scroll by different pages if they want. You want to try to find out. Let's go to here, and same type of page, but it's very easy to set this stuff up. And again, change your text, your prices. If they want to change the price on a helmet, they have to go in there and change it to $44.95 or $59.95. and it automatically does things, automatically updates the site. Now they're on desktop and mobile, so it updates both, which is kind of nice. Accessories, they have a ton of accessories for their products and stuff like that. So you can see here what this e-commerce will do. Again, we can customize for whatever you need it for, whether it's an SSL cert or using our platform, third-party billing, shipping, CRM integration, kind of whatever you need to, we can build it. But for most of our clients, what we have is more than that they're ever going to need. But the nice thing to know is that it's there. So in case you ever do want to upgrade or add some more functionality to your mobile e-commerce or even your desktop e-commerce, you're able to do that without spending more money, because again, we've already built the platform out and we continue to build this out. There's always something we're adding or making better for you, so we just don't sit around and here's what it is. We'll do an update in 6 months. I mean, we're constantly working on this. So hopefully you're gonna get e-commerce, and even if you're a chiropractor, sell gift cards, sell maintenance plans, have a mobile store, because people like to buy on mobile. And with PayPal and Authorize.net and them already having the mobile platform built up, it's a very easy sync to take them from a mobile shopping cart on your mobile site and process through Authorize.net, First Data, PayPal, Google Checkout, whatever, because all these large companies already have the stuff built. So you're just allowing your customers another way to buy something from you. So I would definitely recommend, no matter what type of business you're in, is to get the e-commerce, because you will use it. You'll find something you can sell, whether it's products, services, for an affiliate product. I mean, it can be whatever you want, but there's just a lot of uses for mobile commerce right now. So I would definitely look into it and come up with some ideas of what you could sell on your mobile website. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.